So today's lesson we're going to work on factoring by GCF. GCF is the greatest common factor. So let's look at a question. We have 8a squared b cubed plus 12ab to the fourth. We want to figure out what of these two terms has the greatest factors. So we want to look at each of the factors. So let's do the numbers first. So we want to do the factors of 8. So what multiplies to get you 8? We have 1 times 4, 1 times 8, and 2 times 4. Now let's look at 12. We have 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. So which one of the 4, or all of the terms, is the largest? Well, the 4 is. So that's going to be our GCF. So we're going to pull out a 4 and make a big set of parentheses at the end. Now we're going to look at our variables. So you always look for the smallest exponent of the same letter. So I have a squared and an a. The smallest one is just a to the first power. I'm going to pull that out. And then we'll look at our b's. We have b to the third and b to the fourth. The smallest exponent is a 3, so we're going to take out b to the third. So that stays on the outside of our parenthesis. Now we're going to take each of the original terms, so this one, and we're going to divide out our GCF. So when I do 8 divided by 4, I'm left with a 2. When I have a squared divided by a, what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract our exponents if we remember our division rules. So 2, there's an invisible 1 here, so 2 minus 1 is 1. And we're going to look at our b terms. B to the third divided by b to the third. Well, anything divided by itself is 1, so we don't need that place. Keep your sign and do the same thing with the second term. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. A divided by a is again just the 1, so we don't need that placeholder. And b to the fourth divided by b to the third, you're going to subtract your exponent, so 4 minus 3 is 1. To double check your work, you would distribute your GCF into each of the terms and make sure that you came out with the original equation. Hope this helped you.